my name is Naomi and today my topic is about an inner body system named respiratory system. Respiratory system. Okay, what is respiratory system? Respiratory system helps us in breathing. We inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. Okay, inhale means we take the air in to the body, and exhale means we take the air out of the body. Okay, inhale means we take the air into the body, exhale means we take the air out of the body. Okay, in this video I'm going to tell about some parts of respiratory system, and at the end of the video I will ask 3 questions about this topic. Okay, so please listen the video carefully. Okay, so let's start. The first 2 parts are called nostrils. It's the first part, and oral cavity is the second part. Okay, nostrils are the 2 openings in the nose that let the air enter the body and leave the body. Okay, these are the 2 holes. They are visible, you can see them, and they are 2, okay? 2 openings in the nose. Okay, the location is in the nose. In the nose that let the air enter the body and leave the body. Okay? So the pronunciation is nostrils. Nostrils. Okay, so the next part is oral cavity. The second opening in the mouth. In the mouth. Okay? The second opening in the mouth. Okay. That let the air enter the body and leave the body. The definition is a bit same, but the location is different, very different. The nostrils are in the nose and oral cavity is in the mouth. Okay, it's the second opening that also let the air enter and leave the body. So the second 2 parts are nasal cavity and trachea. Nasal cavity warms up the air and give it to trachea. Nasal cavity. The pronunciation is nasal cavity. Nasal cavity. Okay, the next part is trachea. Trachea is a tube that takes the air to the lungs, and it's also known as air pipe. Okay, the third 2 parts are called bronchi and bronchioles, a branch that takes the air from trachea and give it to bronchioles. This was the definition of bronchi. Bronchi, the pronunciation is bronchi. Okay, bronchi. Next part is bronchioles, the smallest tube where the exchange of gases take place. This thing doesn't happen in bronchioles, but it just takes place. There's a part in it, very small part, that I'm going to discuss right now. The fourth 2 parts are air sacs and lungs. Okay, air sacs are the tiny sacs where the exchange of gases happens. This is the place where the exchange of gases happen. They blow like a balloon when we inhale and go to their own size when we exhale. Okay, so the next part is lungs. Lungs receive the blood from the heart and receive the oxygen. The blood absorbs the oxygen and become oxygenated blood. Okay, this was the definition of lungs. It's a bit long, so I'm going to repeat it again. Lungs receive the blood from the heart and receive the oxygen. The blood absorbs the oxygen and become oxygenated blood. Okay. Lungs is so simple and it's so famous. Okay, so the last 2 parts are ribs and diaphragm. Okay, ribs are the 24 bones that protect our lungs. They are the 24 bones that protect our lungs. Right? Then is diaphragm. Diaphragm is a thin muscle that moves up and down. It's like a trampoline. When we inhale, it goes down, and when we exhale, it goes up. Okay, so I hope you liked my video. Now I will ask some questions from you, and you will answer them in the comment section. So let's start the questions. Okay, I hope you have listened it carefully. If you don't have, then you can replay the video. It's no problem. Okay, so the first, I will give you 5 minutes of each 5 seconds for each question, and you will answer them orally. And after that, you will answer these questions in the comment section. I will give you marks in reply. Okay, so the first question is, what is the main job of respiratory system? What is the main job of respiratory system? Okay, I will give you 5 seconds to solve this. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, you have solved it or not? Okay, I hope you have solved it. And now I'm going to ask the question 2. What we inhale and what we exhale. Okay, so what we inhale and what we exhale. I have told the meaning of inhale and exhale. I don't have to repeat this. So, what we inhale and what we exhale. Again, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Start solving. Okay, 5 seconds are over. So I hope you have answered it. Now the question 3. It's about nostrils. How many nostrils we have? How many nostrils we have? Okay, you have nostrils. You can count them from there. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds for this again. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, the time is over, and I hope you have answered it. Okay, so this was it for today. Now I'll tell you how to answer the questions. Okay, first you have to write Q and then 1, and then you have to give a space, and then write A and S, and then you have to make 2 dots and then give the answer, and then you have to enter, and then we have to write Q2 space A and S, 2 dots, and give your answer. And then this is how you will give your answer, and I will reply the answers. Okay, I hope you like my video. This was it for today. Bye.